Okay, a very, very quick market update is very, very important. Let's not waste too much time. Adani and Ambani are two guys I do not understand, so I do not or I'll never give, and I don't have coverage on them in the future as well as now. But I can surely tell you when to buy or not buy Bank Nifty and Nifty. So listen, we're getting a very good fall in the market. We got a good panic thanks to the Adanis in the morning, and markets around 9:30 we saw some recovery, and this is what I call a first pullback that comes into the market. It's a very, very important technical analysis tool. So if this first pullback goes below these the closings which has been done earlier, that shows us that the markets are under pressure. However, if you are a buyer in the market, you have to look for something like a double bottom on the chart. 15-minute chart, what you can do is, if the markets are going down, they give a first pullback, it gets sold into. If the market starts to sustain above 34,700, you can start to buy in low quantity. Yes, the selling will still come in because of this big, large red candle on the chart. I'm not expecting a V-shaped recovery right now. But if 34,700 plus levels are sustained in the market, you could get sideways to bullish momentum that is coming into the market in the next 1-2 days. Also, do not forget, we had the Adani panic, but we also have the inflation data at 12 o'clock, if I'm not wrong with my timings. But that's the reason I'm merely sitting out. I'm observing the market. Too much news, too much panic, and if inflation is not good and it augments another panic, I don't want to be a part of it. Earn some good money in ICICI puts, but right now sitting and observing. Personally, if you want my suggestion, if you want my advice, right now is not a place I would like to buy. As I always say, let the market show you what they want to do. 34,700 plus is a region when you can start looking at companies and you can start looking at the index and trying to buy in small quantities, but always have stops. And don't forget, the inflation data is out there. If the market goes below 34,550 or 500, let's take a round number, that's the closing price of these candles which had the panic, then I'm not going to be a buyer at all right now for today. Tomorrow is a different story. It's the intraday view right now. Nifty chart. Nifty just witnessed a very good sell-off. Right now also markets dipped till 680. If you want to be a buyer in Nifty, this is the stop loss for all the buyers right now. 660 levels. If the market starts to go below 660 levels, do not be a buyer intraday basis. At the same time, this is the first pullback that's coming into the market. If the market starts to go above 740 levels, that's the place where you can try to buy, but always and always and always have stops. One small advice, hopefully things make sense. If the range is maintained, maintain a no trade zone. Be disciplined. You've seen the 3-month range in the markets from Feb, April, March. Feb, March, April, sorry. So I believe if you don't trade one day, that's fine. But let the 15,740 level break, or let the 34,700 level break. Then only think if you want to buy or not. Personally, sitting out right now, waiting for further price action and confirmation. Don't forget again, inflation data at 12 o'clock. Thank you so much.